in with gloss, we could use it in with creative. But what is Mixmaster? Mixmaster is a permanent hair color.
Pure color.
And it's pure tone. Absolutely. Pure. It's strong. So what can it do? It can enhance, it can minimize, it can neutralize. It can do all of these things within our formulations that are already existing or separately by themselves. We can mix. So how to use it. So if we're mixing it just alone, let's just say I want to put Mixmaster on someone's hair.
Let's say 4-4.
4-4. I love that one because that's what I have.
Level 4.
Double
Yeah.
four.
So
No,
we have
the
over
mixing
4-4.
master, 4-4.
This is going to be copper. Copper, right? If I wanted, someone wants copper and she's like, can you just make my ends copper today? I want copper here now. Okay, that's fine.
Just
We
the
can,
ends.
That'd be
know?
nice for on her head.
it really, I mean, it would look really beautiful actually.
I know.
But we can mix this, something, let's just pretend, right? We're just saying this. We're not going to do that to you today. Don't get too nervous.
Something else.
I know. You're like, oh my gosh, please don't do that on my head. So if we wanted to, we can mix this, and how we're gonna mix it is just like our standard mixing. 1 to 1.5. We can use 5, 8.5, 20, 40, 30. We can use all of our activators 35 to 45 minutes, just like a traditional permanent hair color, okay? But now, let me move out of your way. But now we're like, okay, well, I want to start mixing it in with my formula. This is going to be too wild, but maybe I want to do like some 8 with a little bit of copper. Let's use this one. I just want to do like this now. I just want neutral with a little bit of copper in there. Okay, how are we going to mix that? So we're going to mix 1 to 12 grams of the Mixmaster in with our existing formula. We don't have to add additional activator. So what we're going to do is mix this like our standard mixing ratio, 1 to 1.5. We use 1 to 12 grams into that. No additional developer is needed.
But it's not gonna be too coppery.
It's a brown, it's more brown.
Well, let's talk about that. So this is how, whatever the main formula that we're gonna do, whether it's gloss, creative lift, we're gonna follow that mixing and timing, whether it be 1 to 1.5, the timing, whether it be 20 minutes with gloss or 35 to 45 with creative, okay? But that's a really good question, right? How much are we gonna even put in there? And how do I know that it's gonna come out the way I want it to come out?
Yes.
So, let's say, for instance, I'm going to give you the example of 4/0 and 7/0. And we're going to be mixing in our over 3-3, which is our gold mix master.
Yeah.
So, if I was to mix 1 to 3 grams of over 3-3 with 4/0, when I'm done mixing that, it's going to look like I still have 4/0. It's because remember we talked about tonal dominance.
Yes.
How dark is level 4?
Oh,
Too
yeah.
It's
dark.
so dark.
brown.
Look, that's like trying to get to see copper here.
Yeah.
We're just not going to see it.
It's
Or
not gonna
gold.
be that much
Yeah.
different.
We're not going to see it. It's not dark enough.
No.
Unless
We
you
have to
put
add more, right? But if I mix with the 7/0, the over 3-3, 1 to 3 grams, immediately I'm going to start seeing a 7
Gold.
natural gold. It's going to be a natural gold, and it's not artificial gold. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to sparkle a little bit already, right? But we just can't see it at that level 4 because it's not dark enough. So when we go to 4 to 6 grams, now we're going to start seeing the influence. Now we have a level 4 natural gold. And it's going to be very subtle. And that's 4 to 6. If we mix the same amount in the level 7, we have a 7 gold. A straight 7 gold.
Yeah.
Interesting.
7 to 12 inches. 7 to 12 grams. They're almost the same thing when you guys measure the inches and the grams. It's similar.
Yeah.
Sorry. But with the level 4, 7 to 12 grams, now we have a level 4 gold. So if you guys ran out, now this is how we can make.
Okay.
On a level 7, now we've created that intense tone. Now we have an intense gold at a level 7.
Because it's lighter. The base
Because it's
is
lighter.
lighter, yeah.
And because of the tone is strong,
Yeah.
it'll overpower that because of tonal dominance. So tonal dominance has a lot to do with it. Same even if we're using blue. Oh my gosh, if I put like 6 grams of blue at a level 7, we're gonna have blue hair. Right?
Yes,
Because it's so
okay.
dark.
Yeah.
We're gonna have blue hair.
Yes, yes.
Exactly. This
Yeah.
is one of the
Depends, yeah.
biggest tools I think to really help understand Mixmaster, to make it something simple and easy and like recreatable. So measuring in grams is a really big benefit. So we could put a gram of this, a gram of that sometimes, you know, just a little bit of things to kind of customize our colors. Do I have any questions on Mixmaster?
Mm,
Did you guys get something out of this one right here?
yes.
I think this one's a really cool,
Yeah.
a cool graph.
Yes.